Hello guys! In today's video I'm going to show you how to take a preference test of your hearing in your SOUNDCORE application to create a custom equalizer preset. At first you need to open the SOUNDCORE application, and once you're in, you need to tap your headphones on the list. Here, tap the sound effects, tap preference test. Now you need to have your earbuds in your ears. And now you need to just select which sound do you prefer, sound A or sound B. Wait a moment. Okay, so now select 1 or 2. For me it's select A. If you don't see the difference, you need to tap here, no difference after some time. Here. And do this 6 times. Now hearing is optimized. So tap Save. And now we have our custom equalizer preset saved. You can here give an opinion about that. I will click X. And that's how it works. Goodbye!